going on from the games. I'm fucking done with this lame ass brain, always on the go when I'm trying to sleep. Lyrical, Shaman. Sleep. I've been running from the pain. I'm going on from the games. I'm fucking done with this lame ass brain, always on the go when I'm trying to sleep. I'm tired of these chains, broken memories and these picture frames. It's the only thing that remains, and all of my mistakes just heart, no veins. Can't get on my fucking head. It's like I got this knife to my wrist right now, using my blood to write down what I'm feeling in this moment, but I doubt any single fucking one of you can spare a fuck. It's just me though, right? I'm only there when you wanna pile all your shit on my back while you put your legs out. Cause if I trip then I smile and hold it all aside until I flip it wild out, and then I'm psycho out. Now I'm the bad guy because I'm dying you foul. See, this blade helps me feel for a little while, cleaning up the blood stains, and then I'm back to me miraculously. You see my scars and never ask me unless I got what you need. You're like crack fiends. I've given my life to God and my community to be characterized as a mutiny. Having loved and felt this since before I hit puberty. I was about 7 when I lost it all. I lost my dad and she lived, but it still took my mom. Other than my son, man, she's all I got. Man, my checks exploding like an atomic bomb. I never meant to let her down, just wanted to get her out of the pits of a hell, but I just couldn't figure it out. My whole life regrets, cause I was the man of the house. Now I'm pinned down, so I can't forget about all the foster homes that beat me down physically and emotionally. The reaper's still here, draining my ability to smile. I've been faking, but this hatred for my failure is seeping out.
Trying to live this way, can I make my appeal? Every word so fucking fake when I just want something real. Please just stay clear, pick myself off the ground. Let me put my broken pieces back together again. Just wanna fucking sleep again.
It's Bo.